bet you can't go the rest of the day without trying.
Today in Europe. At this time, the Columbia Broadcasting System brings you the latest foreign news direct from important European war capitals. Tonight we shall attempt to bring the news from Amsterdam and from Helsinki. Edward R. Murrow, chief of the Columbia European staff, has just arrived in Amsterdam to talk with William L. Schara, CBS Continental representative. And so we take you now to Amsterdam.
Wow, guess I do cry a lot. I promise,
I've got no idea. I saw street lights, automobiles with rear headlights, and light pouring out of the windows tonight for the first time in 5 months. It's a shock. Seems almost indecent to have all this light about. And as soon as we finish here, I'm going out and look at those lights again.
Maybe you think I'm not, too. You know, Ed, it sounds childish to say so, but when I got in last night and emerged from the station and saw all those lights, I dropped my bags in the snow and wandered about the streets for half an hour, just looking at the lights. I kept studying the position of every lamppost and fire hydrant, making a mental note of their location so I wouldn't run into them if the blackout comes.
So let's hope it doesn't come.